So yeah, I think it's about time we do a bit of an update for this channel. I haven't forgotten about it and I haven't abandoned it. Don't worry about that. It's just been a bit sparse on time recently. We've got this 6-week-old little girl here. She's taking up most of our spare time right now. So yeah, but things are happening. Just cleared out space here. Used to be a lot of timber framing parts here. Now carried all down to where they're going to be assembled. Shop's a bit of a mess. Had to rearrange stuff for the timber framing parts. And still going to keep this for now. I need to do the roof structure still, so I'm thinking this might be useful to have them in line. But I think once that is done, I'm thinking of just doing a bit of rearranging here. Maybe finally cladding the walls here in this corner and getting that wall shelf thing or wall cabinet thing actually hung up. So yeah, the sawmill here had a bit of a breakdown that you see it's a somewhat disassembled. Yeah, we got some parts here, ordered some new stuff. It's a good thing, like this saw is 30 years old and we can still get spare parts for it. So yeah, finally, I think they're in here. Yeah, I got some 3D printed stuff there, so I can get this feed motor going again, because I was using a boat winch to pull the saw forward, and it was a bit annoying. I used a hand drill at the end, but started out doing it manually. But finally, hopefully it should work out and we can get it working, feeding on its own again. So yeah, I got halfway through a cut when it cut off. I should say it was I'll go more into it and I'll make a dedicated video to fixing that saw. So, but I go more into it then. And we got the ash and oak logs here, and I'm gonna saw once the saw is fixed again. And a few more spruce logs over there and get to at some point. Down here, we got our duck friends chilling in the shade. Nice water there. You make it so clean. Anyways, yeah, we got these milk puppies here. The lone one here, she likes to be on her own for some reason. They're not our cows, but they're my partner's uncle's cows. But yeah, anyways, timber framing stuff, it's over here. So put these up today. Been doing some groundwork here before that delayed the project because I had to change things. There used to be some concrete plinths over there, and now there's a concrete block wall that I made there instead. So I had to make a retaining wall anyway, so I figured why not just change it out so the retaining wall is the support for the actual wall. But yeah, next step here is trying to get these top plate beams up there. I have a plan to do it myself and it should be fairly safe. But yeah, if it at all feels unsafe while I'm doing it, I'm gonna call for some friends. But the thing is, at that point I can't really do it on camera because none of my extended family around here really want to be on camera. So in that case, I'll have to just put the camera up somewhere far away, or we'll have to just do a dramatic reenactment of some sort for the actual video of this. In regards to the video for this, I already had 2 videos up. The first 2 parts of this on my main channel, as I like to call it, the Crafted by Linus channel. Next part's coming out hopefully not too far from now. Just need to get these top plates up and some more bracing, and we're about done for that. And yeah, just since this project got so delayed, as you might be able to tell from these pockets, for the tenons, they're gradually more and more at an angle. Because this beam, if I had just done all of joinery right away after cutting it from the sawmill, it wouldn't have been a problem, but it twisted a lot as it was drying. It was sitting around for almost 2 months after I cut it, before actually got around to doing the joinery. But yeah, I think it's turning out well. This is actually kind of a practice project for me, so I'm not too bummed about things not being perfect. And I'm not doing all of the steps all the way, so to say, with timber framing, but yeah, there's gonna be more on that in the video coming up soon on the other channel. I think that's it for this update. I'm gonna try to keep some kind of updates coming more regularly here now. So I'll get that repair coming in. I'll do some updates before that too, maybe. And I have some other ideas for videos for this channel. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys soon.